Hi guys, welcome back to Cross-Dankers-Railroad. I'm Brian, your host and owner, and I was unboxing some new train things that arrived today, and I am so thrilled. So here's the first one. It's packaged up, and we'll get this one opened. I love the box though, right? Because size matters no matter what people tell you. It's half the fun of O-scale. Giggity. It's like Christmas morning. One more. Does anybody else hear music in their head, or is it just me? You know the end of Die Hard when the classical music plays right before everything blows up at the top of the building? That's like what's in my head, if you know that piece. Anticipation. I think as old as I am, I know how to open up a box faster. For Christ's sakes. Jesus. Oh. Am I still in frame?
Yep.
Oh. Doobie, doobie, doo. Doobie, doobie. They're calling from in the house. If you remember the penguins from that commercial, it'd be really funny. Somebody's laughing. And do you see what that says? Can you zoom in on that? It's the Lionel Swing Bridge. So excited. This is duplicating a river scene I'm doing with a Naval Weapons Station. It's here in, outside of Norfolk, the Yorktown Naval Weapons Station, where there's a swing bridge like this. So this is being recreated, but I didn't realize this thing is gigantic. It's so awesome. Oh. What do they say? The only difference between men and boys is the price of their toys. Speaking of that, have you guys looked at the new Corvettes? They're ridiculous. But that's like a whole nother thing, isn't it? Look at that. Oh my God. Sealed from the factory. Oh, wait. Let's do that. Can you see that? Look at that. Look how neat that is. Yeah. There's one just like this outside of Naval Weapons Station Yorktown. I'm doing a whole thing with it, but it's so awesome. So excited. All right, guys. I thought you'd enjoy that. Thanks for hanging out with me during that. I appreciate it. And as I further get it out later tomorrow and whatnot, I'll be posting some more stuff. But really awesome. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed.